Oh boy, it's been a while since I've opened one of these babies. Okay, I just dumped everything out. Yeah, and okay, nice. Oh boy, okay. I don't know what. God, okay. This is a video for only the sake of this is a video. I wanted this one. I wanted this one so much. Okay. Oh, yep. Okay. This video is for the sake. No, I'm phrasing this wrong. This is only for myself. You can watch it though, if you want. I don't think you want to watch it. Okay, I didn't think to open this before starting this recording. I'll just open this. You've probably clicked out of this video by now, but if you haven't, wow, what are you doing with your life? You know? Shoot. What am I doing? Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, I made a little thing here. My disgusting hands. Okay, doesn't matter. Well, maybe it does. I'm kind of... Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. As long as... Whatever. I can't think I'm talking to myself. I just got home from stuff. And I need... Wait. I don't... So it's so... Oh boy, okay. The notes E. Oh, I got an E version, great. Oh yeah, I already figured that out for the poster. Oh, look at these Korean words. I wish I was Korean. I have like all my friends are Korean. I'm just saying there's the only half Chinese, half Vietnamese thing. Oh my god, look. And these stickers. Where's my freaking photo card? Wow. Wowie. Okay. I want my photo card. I saw it. My baby. Oh my god. Yes. My child. My kid. My one and only. Not one and only. My 1 and 1 out of 7. This is so nice. Oh god, okay. Okay. I'm getting places. In case I wanna audition. I think. Yeah. I'll get there. One day. Shoot. I think I scratched something. Doesn't matter. Or does. I have not seen these before. Oh, I have, but I've seen some of them, not all of them. Like this one. I have not seen you before. Ki. I'm sorry if I've offended some Korean-speaking people out there. I'm sorry. Genuinely. I don't get why am I even making a video? It's just to watch myself and cringe. Just cringe. Oh God. Yes. Everything's perfect. Oh, yes. Children. Okay. I don't understand what this notes thing is. Well, I do, but I don't, you know? What? Why? Okay. Well, I'm going to end this thing, whatever this is. So, catch y'all on the flippity flip.